Hey traders, what's up? To watch this video here for, let me get this right because it feels like today was Monday, but today was Wednesday because I've been on vacation. Wednesday, let's see, the video is for Thursday, May 27th. Quick reminder, the market is closed. See, so we got tomorrow, Thursday, 27th and 28th. The market is closed Monday, the 31st for Memorial Day. So 2 trading days left in May. This is my welcome back present from the market. This was the SPY today. Look at that candle. Closed about where it opened, extremely narrow range, very low volume, but nice teamwork in chat. We still found some good trades. Love the teamwork. My best trade today was ANVS. On watch, I'll take today's candle out of it. On watch because you had the big pop and then 2 days lower on declining volume. I'll show you the setup. I actually called it Tokyo, which is right on this candle. It was about 50-50, $50.50 when I called it. The worst case stop was about $1 below. The high of day was just above. But what I did was I got long right there. It didn't break the high of day. You know how I treated Tokyo. I was looking for an immediate high of day break or within a minute or two, and it started to come back down and I hit out. The lower high that it put in was 50.75. The early high was 51, actually 50.99. So on the very next candle, when it came back up to 50.75, I got long again. It didn't stop out, but I didn't trust it since we didn't break the high. So anyway, I hit out and I took it again on this next candle right at 50.75. And then we got the big move and it went to over 54, went to 54.50. So even though I took a small loss on the first one for hitting out early without stopping out, still made a killing on it. That was my best trade of the day. I also got an opening range breakout in AMC, had a decent little trade in that. I think I got one pullback play in Lizzie, L-I-Z-I. Overall, it was a nice first day back. I didn't, wasn't a monster day for me, but it's nice to be nicely green, you know, after being off for 7 trading days. So anyway, what are we watching for tomorrow? PIRS, which is a very weird daily chart. You had the big rip, then you had the gap up and the nasty sell-off, closed below yesterday's close. But if you look at where it closed, it's probably in the middle of the 2-day range. So I don't know who's winning, but because it's a recent high flyer, I'm definitely going to watch this for the next few days. No trades in it today. EH, I like this one. It's curling up out of this base. I talked about it today, or in the video going into today, that it was interesting and it did have a pretty strong day. Now the sad thing for me is I don't think I traded this once today. It just kept doing a pullback, another run, a clean pullback, another run, and so on. But 60-minute candles here. There's no compelling, hey, this is a great price to get long tomorrow. I don't have any kind of compelling number, but I like the fact that it seems to have put in a nice base here, a nice support, and is curling back up out of it. So I'm going to watch it again tomorrow. EXPR, one of the Wall Street bets plays that moves with GameStop and AMC and all that. Nice breakout today. We're going to watch that one for some follow through tomorrow, especially if that whole group goes. Fubo broke out of probably a 2-week base here. So I want to look for a continuation pattern tomorrow. Again, I'm in cash every night, so I'm looking for A+ intraday setups on some of these. IHT, crazy move back here, and then put in a bunch of red candles, meaning closed below its open a lot of days here. And all of a sudden it's curling back up. So you might have some shorts in trouble here. Also topped out right around 850. I definitely like this through today's high, like over 850 tomorrow, knowing that we've got a recent high of, I'm rounding up because it's 898, but I'll say a recent high of 9. So this one's really interesting over 850 tomorrow, depending on how it trades, obviously. But definitely going to be on watch tomorrow. ISNS had the big move back here. Came back down, kind of riding the 20-day, and now starting to curl back up out of this range. I like the looks of this chart. Going to watch that one. Speaking of Lizzie, big volume today, closing well off its highs. Definitely want to watch for some kind of red to green or follow-through day tomorrow. FUV, also kind of trying to break out of a little range here. A little extra volume. A lot of the old high-flying EV plays had nice candles today, so maybe they're going to start getting some buying coming in. Speaking of which, LI is another one. Nice volume today and a pretty strong close. And then lastly, VTNR, which kind of has an interesting daily chart, but the real reason it's on the watch list is in after hours. It's trading at $3.30 right now. So potential gapper tomorrow. And I'm going to leave it at that. We'll add gappers to this list in the pre-market, but there should be plenty to trade. We did well today on a really boring market day, right? So let's do that again tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get some better action. I'm done babbling. We'll see you guys in the chat room in the morning.